Hey there, and welcome to WP Beginner Podcast. Today, let's talk about how to create more interactive forms in WordPress. I know forms can sometimes feel tedious, but they don't have to be. In fact, when done right, forms are a great way to engage visitors and get them excited about interacting with your site. As experts here at WP Beginner, we want to share 6 tips to help you boost conversions by making your WordPress forms more interactive. First up, conversational forms. These are designed to guide users through a natural back and forth flow, almost like they're chatting with a real person. Instead of a huge, intimidating form, you break it down into smaller, more digestible steps. Users are way more likely to stick around when a form feels like a conversation instead of a chore. Studies show over 66% of users who start a conversational form will submit it successfully. Let's go ahead and try this for any form over 4 fields. It works great for surveys, applications, and feedback. Next, add some visual flair with image and icon fields. There's a reason marketers use photos and graphics everywhere. They grab attention. Bring your multiple choice questions to life by replacing text with colorful icons. Not only do they look fantastic, but image choices are just plain easier for people to process, especially on mobile. We highly recommend testing this out for quizzes, polls, and surveys. All right, let's switch gears and talk conditional logic. This lets your form change dynamically based on user input. Instead of a static, one-size-fits-all form, you can personalize the experience for each visitor. For example, only ask for a phone number if the user wants to be contacted that way, or display different fields based on previous selections. Conditional logic reduces clutter, improves relevance, and makes forms less tedious to fill out. Now let's dive into rich media content. You can insert videos, images, and other multimedia directly into your forms with content fields. This is a great way to engage users and answer questions before they submit. Seeing real faces and photos builds trust and credibility too. We recommend adding explainer videos above key fields. Studies show it can increase conversions by 86%. Lead generation forms are another must try. These multi-step forms guide users through one field at a time. The conversational flow makes it smooth and non-intimidating. Even though only 40% of marketers use them, multi-step forms convert 86% better. We've seen awesome results for lead magnets and content upgrades, and the progress bar is extra motivation to reach the end. Finally, pop-up forms are highly effective when used correctly. Tucking your form away until users engage helps reduce distractions and bounce rates. The pop-up triggers interaction, keeping them invested in your content. And just make sure pop-ups aren't overused or annoying. Pay attention to how top brands use them, predominantly for forms. There you have it. 6 tips to make your WordPress forms more interactive and boost conversions. Give conversational flows, visual elements, conditional logic, rich media, multi-step forms, and targeted pop-ups a try on your site. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more free WordPress video tutorials. And thanks for listening.